Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link Zoho CRM with Zoho Creator, so let's get right into it. Now, Zoho Creator allows you to make your own apps, scripts, etc., which will help you manage your CRM better, or manage your business better and easier, and it is a paid-for service, except there is a free version if you have up to 2 users or up to 3, but since I'm not that very good with coding at the moment and I do not have a paid for subscription, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can connect it with this guide over here. And as you can see, it's named Linking Zoho Creator Apps with CRM, and the example here is a travel expenses app within the Zoho Creator. Now, once you have your app, you just need to share the travel application or whichever application with selected users, and then you need to link it with Zoho CRM. To do this, you need to go to Setup Customization Web Tabs, which is over here. Go into Setup, then go into Customization, click on Web Tabs, and for some reason that is missing for me, so I'm not sure exactly why that is. But if you have it, then just go into Web Tabs and then click Create Web Tab. Click the link icon and choose your app which you've created, and in the Creator Form Details page, select whatever detail is needed, then select the profiles to activate Web Tab to the users, then click Save. Then in Customization, go to Tabs and Organize tabs, click Save, and the app will be available on your CRM account. Then to access it inside Zoho CRM, you just need to click the tab which you've created, and in the View page, you need to click the Add Link. Then in the Add Record page, you need to specify the details of your app which are to be used. Then just click Save, and the details associated with the contacts will be added. And that is basically all there is to it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys, but I'm not exactly sure how you can create apps on the Creator, nor do I have access to it at the moment. So I hope this guide helped you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.